MNTN stock analysis, this for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Especially looking at MNTN right now with a $22.670 level, man. Like, it's not the best, not the worst thing ever. I mean, yes, I was looking to take it further up, but I never really got my double break that I wanted to see. And that's sort of kind of, I abandoned the ticker, you know. I'm not looking at it right now actively. I was like, let's make an updated video because it went up 23%, you know. Let's see what's up. From what I'm seeing, is, yeah, it's a proper shift, you know. I'm not saying it's not, but like randomly getting involved, it's not going to be happening. So I'm going to mark up my top of the range. This thing currently, the only thing that I care about is if I see my rules met. That means that on the lower time frame, if I do see it pulling down and giving me a double break, that's how I look to take it up, further up. If not, it's all good, you know, randomly buying, it's not going to be happening, at least not from my end. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.